Alright guys, welcome back. We got the turbo off again. Had a little piece of this right here. A little small piece of black plastic off of the windshield cowl. This actually was down in the oil feed. Down here. So I took it out. There's a screen down in there that caught it. Luckily, it's got a little barrel screen. So I took the turbo back off because we got oil coming out. Looks like maybe the high pressure oil pump cover, but from here it looks like it may just be the turbo drain. I didn't replace the O-rings on the drain when I took it off last time. I just thought it was loose, but get the light back in here. So the first look at this since we've replaced the turbo, just to see if it's got any moisture. It's looking like that. No, let's see. Let me look at it and I'll get back with you.